Nigel and Jessica.
With,
Sorry,
go ahead, babe. With Nigels Jamaican Almond World. And we just want to introduce ourselves. We are the makers of the world's first Jamaican almond oil. We make it out of Jamaican almonds. Nigel, my sweet husband, he is the creator of it. We started making it 8 years ago.
in Jamaica.
Well, almost 8 years ago, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, seems like forever. And what else? We make Jamaican almond oil. We make other products out of it. Nigel is about to make bath bombs right now.
With Jamaican almond oil.
Jamaican almond oil in it, yes. We make body butters, sugar scrubs. We're in our workshop right now. Here's some body butters that I made. Body butters. We're about to make some soap, some loofah soap. Yes, that's set up nice, huh? So this is our workshop. It's in our home, in our garage, in Florida. And we, with our grant money, we would definitely expand our workshop. Nigel's gonna build some shelves because we need shelves. We're running out of space in here, so we need some shelves.
Growing out our surroundings. So.
Yes, yes. We would buy a bigger air conditioning because sometimes it gets too hot in here. We also would buy other machinery and supplies, like we need a wrapping machine to wrap our products. So we would buy a wrapping machine, we'd buy a better heat gun. We did 1,000 order, bath bomb order the other day, and our heat gun went out on us. So we have a lot of supplies that we would get. We would definitely just beef up our advertising for sure. Come back here, babe. It would give us money to beef up our advertising, get help with our website, maybe even be able to hire somebody to do a lot of the things that I do on the admin side. So we just want to say thank you for this opportunity.
Are there more almonds too?
Oh yeah. As far as what we would do for our community, our almonds, show them the almonds, babe. Our almonds come from Jamaica, and our almonds that make what makes our almond oil are almonds that come from Jamaica. So these are the almonds. Show them, babe, how you squeeze them.
So we actually cold press the almond. As you can see, these are different species of almonds from the one that's grown here in the United States. These are tropical almonds, so they're grown in tropical countries all over the world, mostly on the coastline. So what I do, I extract the oil from it and put it in the bottle. I cold press it, so I preserve the minerals and vitamins, all of that stuff that comes in the almonds. These almonds are loaded with magnesium and zinc, so they have a very good for the skin, like eczema, psoriasis, a lot of that skin irritating stuff, like, you know, antifungal and all that good stuff. So,
and good for that glow,
and
naturally.
You can eat them too.
Yes. Yes. So that's our business. Oh, what we would do also is we would order more almonds from the farmers in Jamaica. They actually wild harvest the almonds. They hand crack them. Well, they do it with a machete.
Yeah,
right?
It's still by hand.
It's still by hand. And then they let them dry, and then they send them to us. But 8 years ago in our business, it was us too.
Yeah, we're Jamaica's first almond farmer, so we actually started this. There's no one else that's doing it right now.
So we want to say thank you for this opportunity. We hope we get chosen, because guess what? We want to grow our customers. They love our products, and we just want to keep making more. So thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.
One love.